talked about the whole spotting. Let's see what we got. Now I need some music. Let's see. Then I'll tell you my age after this.
I'm gonna say 47.
Huh?
I'm gonna say 47.
All right, I'll tell you my age after this.
What the fuck am I doing? I'm almost 56 years old, fighting with this heirloom given to me by my parents called high blood pressure, and I'm about to put 315 pounds over my head. What if high blood pressure really isn't the problem? Sure, it could be genetics. It could be a lot of things. I mean, it doesn't help that my parents had high blood pressure. But I've been keeping a spreadsheet for the last year and a half after I started being on the medicine and wanting to get off the medicine. But what I found is interesting about holistic approaches and just taking medication. There's so many different levels. Because even with my spreadsheet, as I wean myself off the medicine and I try to up the holistic things like hibiscus, beet roots and beets, ginger, turmeric, those things do work because I noticed that my blood pressure drops really, really low, but it's something that I can't manage.
Tried to leave it all behind. Wandered alone through the night. Me and all of my dreams are fading. My darkness has won the fight. Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light. Take me
So I got some upgrading to do. You can see the doors down, the drawers out, but let me see if I can open this here. All right, that whole side I need to redo. I broke it trying to stuff stuff in there. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna redo. All I gotta do is fix the drawers. They held up, I don't know, 4 years now, 4 years. Without slides and all that, they slide pretty good. And of course, this is a door just like that side. So, and I want to bring that out and I want to fix the ceiling. But yeah, most of this stuff is just cosmetic stuff that I want to do. Everything is functional. Yeah, this is just a tabletop. Just in case people are like, oh man, that looks way off. No, it's just a tabletop. Sits on top of here, just cleaning stuff, as you saw earlier. And yeah, so really mostly just cosmetic stuff I want to do. I want to build this all in, enclosed, kind of enclosed with maybe a small window, because usually when I open the hatch, I have a screen that I go across here, but I don't normally need it because the fan is so strong. So I never really need to have this open. And that's why I want a 270 awning to come around to some extent, because I still can cook. I've cooked under here before, under the top of this before, but it's so close because of my bumper. But now I can cook inside, so that ain't even a problem. What else? Shower's still good. Might take a shower tonight. Everything else, I mean, like I said, everything is cosmetic right now. I'd love to put her on 40s, but 40s would just be another problem. And a problem.
And yes, I pushed the shit out of that 315.
Oh
Not too bad.
my God. Not all of that.
Not too bad. I ain't gonna wait.
Yo.
I know, but
Yeah. You got all of that.